He's tiny. He's just a little slow cut. I might have taken my bait. Oh, nope. Come on. He's biting it.
Get it. Yeah.
No, my drag is so loose. What's with me and hook sets recently, man?
I was readjusting the drag and then I felt it when I was...
I had another nibble.
Ooh, this gives me hope. Literally the first time I put the...
Oh, come on.
Oh my gosh, I got a shot.
Yeah, definitely don't go over there though. Ice is not...
I stepped through a little bit over there.
Yeah.
My heart.
I just stepped through the slushy ice, not like the... Yeah.
That's so sad.
Until next year. Try that hole for a second.
That's not a rock. That's just the all the sawdust from our.
Oh. No, 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 no. Come back, come back. I had a bite. Come back, please. Nope, he's coming. He's... No, how? I literally had two prime opportunities. Oh, he's coming back. He's here.
He's here. Come on, Raiden.
Come on, nibble it. Take it. You were there. You were there. Got him.
Got him.
My drag is way too loose. I'm a catch. And I was filming. I was. Yeah. Dink number 2. I wish it was a bow. This would be a good bow. A decent bow. Yeah, it's probably gonna... Oh.
There's a fish that just swam up.
Oh, no way.
No joke. Checking you out, huh?
Oh my gosh, a fish ate mine and was just swimming around. I was like, why is there slack in my line? There's a fish.
No joke, a fish just swam up.
That's crazy. There's probably just a little dink on mine.
Same price?
I'm getting nibbles.
Oh, no.
Oh, it's a bow. Do you guys want to keep any? No. All right. We're all tied up.
The way that they pay at this Spanish or Springfield pool, so dumb. So I worked last Saturday and all this week. I got paid Friday.